About upgrading to Canva Pro but not sure if it's worth the money. In this video I will show you the real difference between Canva Free and Canva Pro and which one you actually need as a beginner, content creator or business owner. Welcome back to my channel. Here I share simple Canva tutorials, design tips and content creation hacks for beginners. Today we are comparing Canva Free and Canva Pro side by side. Canva Free is actually very powerful. With Canva Free, you get thousands of free templates, basic photo editing, free elements, social media designs, videos, and presentations. For beginners, this is already enough to start designing professionally. What to get with Canva Pro? Now, this is where Canva become really powerful. With Canva Pro, you unlock background remover. Yes, magic resize, in which you can always resize your design that you created on Canva. We have the blanket. Yes, you can always set up your blanket when you have access to Canva Pro. We have the premium template. You have access to premium templates. All these templates that has a crown on them, you have access to them. In as much that you subscribe to Canva Pro, you have access to team collaborations, AI tools, magic eraser. These tools save time and make your work flow faster. The biggest difference, the way I see, is speed and convenience. Example, with Canva Free, you may do things manually, but with Canva Pro, it automates a lot of work. It makes your work easier and faster. Now, what I will advise is use Canva Free if you are just starting. Yes, if you are designing occasionally, maybe not every time, and you are still learning Canva and you think you don't need advanced tools yet. Who should use a Canva Pro? Yes, Canva Pro is best if you design for a client. You create content regularly, you create content daily, you run a business, you manage social media platform, and you want to make your work faster. So my advice, start with Canva Free, then upgrade later. When you start getting clients, you need advanced tools and you want to save time, because this builds trust. So that is the real difference between Canva Free and Canva Pro. Comment below which one are you using currently, and if this video helped you, subscribe because I post Canva tutorials every 2 days.